Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Secondary School online class, 12th Standard Commerce. Today we are going to see Unit 1 Management Process. In that we are going to see about management by objectives and management by expectation. This topic we are going to be discussed in this class. Make a note of it, make a useful class and do the best. Chapter 3 Management by Objectives and Management by Expectation. இதோட ரிவிஷன் டாபிக் தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். நம்ம புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ். That is, in book back we have 4 1 mark, 5 2 mark, 3 3 mark and 4 5 mark. Totally in this chapter contains 43 marks. That means 4 1 mark, 5 2 mark, 3 3 mark and 4 5 mark. Totally 43 marks in this chapter. Last chapter also we have seen about a concept wise question. Likewise in this chapter there is a 10 concept. In this one by one we can see that in 3.01 meaning and a definition of management, it's contained 3 mark. 3.02 objectives of MBO 2 mark and features of MBO 3.03 3 mark. Process of MBO 3.04 6 mark. 3.05 advantages of MBO 8 mark. Disadvantages of MBO 3.06 5 mark. Meaning of MBE 3.07 6 marks. Process of MBE 3.08. There is no questions in 3.08. Then 3.09 advantages of MBE 5 mark. 3.10 disadvantages of MBE 5 mark. Totally we have 43 questions in this chapters. Now we can going to be discussed on one by one questions based on the concept one. There is a 43 marks in this lessons. Okay, chapter concept 3.01. In this first we are going to see choose a correct answer. Dash is a system gives a full focus on individual strength and responsibilities. That is MBO. MBO is a system gives a full scope to the individual strength and responsibilities. Okay, next definition of MBO. It is very short answer. 3.01 definition of MBO. Professor Redden defines the establishment of a efficient standard for managerial position and periodical conversation of those measurable in time bonds. The objectives are linked is a vertical and horizontal of a future plan. That is, MBO means management by objective means the objective should be fixed toward the future plan. அதாவது MBOன்றது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு மேனேஜ்மெண்ட்ல ஒரு அப்ஜெக்டிவோ ஒரு கோலையோ ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றது தான் வந்து MBO. இட் மே பி a horizontal one or it may be a vertical one. ஃபியூச்சர் பிளானை நோக்கி ஃபியூச்சர் பிளானை பத்தி திங்க் பண்ணி ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்றது தான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா வந்து MBO. நெக்ஸ்ட் 3.02 3.02ல வந்து பார்த்தோன்னா வெரி ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர். இதுல ஒரே ஒரு 1 மார்க் ஒரே ஒரு 2 மார்க் தான். நெக்ஸ்ட் 3.02 only 1 2 மார்க் வெரி ஷார்ட் ஆன்சர். What are the objectives of MBO? MBO ஓட objectives என்னென்ன நோக்கங்கள்? To measure the performance, to judge the performance and to relate the individual performance to the future goal. To clarify both the job done by the expectation of accomplishment. To forecast the increasing and complete the growth of a subordinates. These are the objectives of MBO. There is a 4 objectives of MBO. You can write 4 objectives. In your book there is a many objectives. You can choose any 4 objectives, which one is easier to you. You can write the 4 objectives. First one, to measure the judgment of the performance. We have to judge the performance of the employee who is an employee in our company. Next we have to the individual performance of an organization goal. We have to know the individual performance of an organization. Or individual எப்படி performance பண்றாருன்றதையும் we have to think over. Next, clarify the both job to be done by the expectation of accomplishment. Next, to forecast the increasing and completed the growth of subordinates. These are the objectives. Next, 3.03, that is a short answer. What are the features of MBO? What are the features of MBO? MBO is a try to combine then a long-run goal and organization with short-run goal. Both long-run goal and short-run goal எடுத்துட்டு போறதா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா MBO. Next, Management is a try to relate the organization goal with the society goal. Both the society social goal and organization goal is done. MBO emphasizes which then not only a goal but also a effective performance. It increases the organizational capacity of achievement goal at all levels. A high degree of motivation and satisfaction is available to employees through MBO. Recognition of participation of employees in goal setting process. These are the features of MBO. This is the main features of MBO. We have to know the long run goal and short run goal, then society goal and organization goal, the goal with an effective performance and achieving the goal level, and availability of the employee through MBO and goal setting process. These are the features of MBO. Next, 3.04, there is one more, which is the first step in process of MBO. Which one is the first step? Defining the organizational objectives is the first step of MBO. Next, this is the 2 more questions which comes in the this concept 3.04. What is known as KRA? That is key result area. That means the objectives of the premises. Which one is a key result area? எது key result ஏரியாவா இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, ஒரு கம்பெனில ஒரு ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ல எந்த ஒரு இடம் வந்து அதிகமா லாபத்தை ஈட்டி கொடுக்குதோ அதுதான் key result area. அப்ப எந்த இடத்த நம்ம ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும்? The key result is probably the market standard and innovative. This is a key area. அப்ப key area is a random of priorities based. Next, process of involved in MBO. என்னென்ன process? Identifying the organization objectives. First, we have to know the objectives. Next, goal of each section. ஒரு section ஓட goal என்னன்றது தெரியணும். Next, fix the key result area. Setting the subordinate and objectives of target. Matching the resources with objectives. Periodical review of meeting. Appraisal of activities and reappraisals of these are the process of MBO. இது எல்லாம் தான் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு அப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸோட ஒரு ப்ராசஸ் சொல்லி சொல்றாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட், கான்செப்ட் 3.05. இதுல ஒரு 1 மார்க் இருக்கு. Delegation of authority is easily done with the help of dash. MBO. MBO is known for delegation of authority and easily done with the help. And there is one short answer. Mention any 2 advantages of MBO. It saves the time of the manager because it's a deal with an expectation of matters and the routine problem are left to the subordinate. It focuses the managerial attention on managerial problem. As a result is then a better fusion of a managerial talent. You have to know the talent and manager problem is it gives MBO gives the solving capacities. Okay, next, this is a long answer question. What are the major advantages of the MBO? Once we studied this 5 mark, you can write this 2 mark easily. These are major points. There is a 10 points is there. You can write any 7 points. Okay, what are the points? The management is involving then objectives of various level under the MBO. The MBO is the process of helping the management to understand the roles of their total organization. The manager recognizes the needs for the planning and appraisal of planning. The management provides a foundation for a participation of management. Sub-coordinations are also involved in the goal setting. Yeah, department does not work at the cross of the purpose with then another department in another department of each of the concern of the whole organization. Systematic evaluation of the performance is made with the help of MBO. MBO gives then a criteria of performance. It then helps to take care then a character of the action. MBO gives the criteria to perform. It helps to take the correction action. The delegation of authority is easily done with the help of MBO. The MBO motivates the workers by their job enrichment and make their job meaningful. It responds for their working is then fixed through the MBO. These are the major advantages of MBO. Next, 3.06, there is a long answer question. What are the disadvantages of MBO? First, we see the advantages. Now we are seeing the disadvantages of MBO. What are the disadvantages of MBO? MBO fails to explain that a philosopher who is then executive know how to work, what is the MBO, why the MBO is necessary, how the participation may be benefit by the MBO. MBO is the time of consuming the process. Much time is needed for the senior people for the framing of MBO. The next, it is an identical of heavy expenditure and then required for then heavy paperwork. MBO is emphasis only then short-term objectives, does not considering the long-term objectives. The status of the name subordinate is a necessary is a proper objective setting, but it is not a proper possible for MBO. MBO is then a right for then only a objective should be a change for then according to the changes of the circumstance and extensively then not only a plan and result for the not for obtaining. These are the major disadvantages of MBO. Next, 3.07, there is a one more question. Dash gives an a management alerts to a opportunities and threat by the individual of critical problem, MBE. Now we are going to see a management by expectation. Meaning of management by expectation. Bring out the meaning. What are the meaning? Management by the expectation is an important principles of managerial control and suggested by the classical written of management. It is based on the behalf of the attainment of control and everything in the results of controlling. By the controlling, by securing the employment. And this is a 3 more question. What are the process of MBE? The primary it is necessary to step the goal for the norms and periodical or essential of a result. It is a performance of the getting then a equal actual and performance. Next derivation is an actually with then actual and does not then required for then a senior management and control with then another matters. And 3.09, what are the advantages of MBE? And 3.010 is disadvantages of MBE. What are the advantages and disadvantages? When we finish, the chapter will be completed. What are the advantages? Is there the time of the manager and because the expectation of a routine problem and left the subordinate. It focuses a managerial attention on a major problem as a result of a better utilization of manager talents. It facilitates the delegation of authority, top management, the concentration on strategy and decision. It is a technique and then a separate of then important and information for then and information one. MBE keeps then a management and alert to then opportunities. Management by expectation provide a better heuristic of a judgment result. And this is a final topic. What are the disadvantages of MBE? There is a major to lead to. The main disadvantage of MBE, not only a management of the power, really the decisions. There is a future of the time pass of the manager aims. These are the disadvantages of MBE. This is then a whole chapter we are discussed and your assignment on your board and you can note it. Okay student, this is your assignment. Write assignment for home test for only 2 questions. What are the advantages of MBE and explain the various disadvantages of MBO. This is a major 2 questions I have given for your home test. Read and write and need your parent signature in this top corner of the note and send your assignment immediately while you are, as soon as you finish, send your assignment by school app which is already you have in your mobile phone, and study well. All the best for your exams and study well for your test. Thank you.